The top of it. And then the bottom of it. But y'all, this rain is really getting on my nerves. But let's not let the rain get to our day and mess up this beautiful day and this beautiful video. So I'm gonna take my flip-flops off. These are my flip-flops. They're a little dirty, but whatever. Who cares? So first we're gonna make a dance. So we're gonna go 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 5, 5, 5, 5. Okay, 5, 6, 6, 7, 5, 5, 5, 5. Sorry, y'all. Hey, watching CJ so cool. Okay, 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, sorry. We is not gonna do that, JK. Alright, so then get on to the real dance. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we're gonna go bow, 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 bow. Okay. Start from the beginning. So when we walk in or whatever. So first we're gonna start off like that. I'm gonna put myself flip-flops on for this. So yeah. Cause then you put it inside. Left inside. Yeah. So you're gonna go back. Take them back off. Take them back. So 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 5, 5. Then we're gonna go. Alright. Okay. Bow, 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 bow. Okay. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7. Boom. Okay. So we're not gonna do that, but we're gonna. So instead we're not doing the dance tutorial because it got really rainy and the ice cream truck came, so kind of got distracted. So we're just gonna do a blow. I have a banana fudge blow pop. And yeah. But I'm gonna tell y'all about my life. Well, some important parts of my life. So
now, when I do push-ups, even I don't think I can make it to 100, so don't nobody laugh at me, huh? Oh, Kamara, let's see what you got.
Okay.
Bust them out.
So one day I was walking.
Let's see what you got, though. 1.
Oh wait, I'm not gonna do that one yet.
4, 5, 6,
So
7, 8,
me,
9,
my dad.
11, 12, 13, 14,
me, my dad,
16,
mother, my cousins, and my aunt. We went to Six Flags Fair Fest. And that's the ice cream truck, don't worry. So I got so scared because it was like a soda can in somebody's eye. Somebody had a machete, and then I was so scared. I fell into a bush. I fell into the bush for like 5 minutes and nobody noticed. I was like, Daddy, Mommy! And then I screamed so loud it actually hurt me. I was like, I've been in here for 5 minutes. And I was only like, I'm 8 now, so I was like, at least like 4.
Come on, Julia, let's see what you got. Oh, you got lucky.
So yeah. But I'll tell you how to rest later because I'm about to watch some CJ. It's so cool.
Oh, I get it. They painted me out to be the bad guy. Well, it's the last time you're gonna see a bad guy do the rap game like me.